Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a company file and choosing industry, accounting method, and fiscal year. Enter your business name, EIN, and opening balances. Set the start date to the first day of your fiscal year. Set up users and permissions so anyone who needs access has the correct level of control. Connect your bank and credit card accounts using secure bank feeds to import transactions. Set up chart of accounts with accounts for income, expense, assets, liabilities, and equity to match your business needs. Categorize imported transactions and match them to existing records or create new ones, using rules to automate repetitive postings. Use invoices for sales, receive payments, and record deposits to reconcile bank statements on a weekly basis. For expense tracking, snap receipt photos with the mobile app and attach them to expense entries. Enter bills, schedule payments, and use bill pay reminders to avoid late fees and maintain vendor relationships. Run the banking tab regularly and resolve uncleared or duplicate items to keep your ledger accurate. Run profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow reports for any date range to review performance and cash position before decision meetings. Compare reports month over month or year over year, and export to Excel or PDF for stakeholders. Prepare and file Form 1099 for contractors paid 00 or more in a calendar year. Verify tax ID and issue by January deadlines. Close the books by reconciling accounts, adjusting journal entries, and locking the prior year to prevent accidental changes while preserving audit trails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.